Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. We're back with another application guide video. In this video, we're going to give you details about a fully funded Tesla internship program. Tesla internship program has opened up its applications for the year 2021. It is a fully funded and paid internship program with applicants getting a chance to get international exposure in Elon Musk's company, which is highly renowned everywhere in the world. The internship opportunity is not limited to certain regions. Instead, it is open for the most international regions including Canada, Europe and the US and many parts of Asia. It is a golden opportunity for undergraduate, graduate and other advanced level education students. Regarding the funding part, the internship is a great opportunity and highly beneficial because it will cover the accommodation cost. Interns will get a stipend and also receive relocation support in cases. The duration of the Tesla internship program is 3 to 12 months. Tesla is an employer company that will consider all qualified candidates regardless of gender, color, region, age, and national origin. Tesla was founded in 2003 by a group of engineers manufacturing electric-driven vehicles that do not require gasoline and other types of fuel. The internship program is offered for different areas and countries. Interns can select according to their interest and academic background. Interns will get an opportunity to work in one of the world's top tech company and get hands-on experience and learn with ongoing training program. There is no limit to the number of times you apply. If you are rejected this time, enhance your skills and academic record and apply again. Applicants must meet the eligibility criteria to apply for the Tesla internship program. Students from all around the world can apply. Accommodation will also be provided to the interns. A relocation grant will also be provided. Graduates are encouraged to apply for the full-time positions. It is mandatory to be enrolled in undergraduate or graduate or some other advanced degree programs to apply for the internship program. The benefits of the internship program: interns will receive compensation. Tesla provides relocation for interns. Housing accommodation is offered in some cases. Chance to work on projects that reflect the goals, aims of the renowned company. Chance to do some hands-on work to learn better and enter the practical fields. Interns will be matched with the departments of their interest and projects best suited to their experience. It will be an opportunity to work with the current employees where interns can learn from the best professionals. To apply for this internship program, click on the link given in the description section of the video. And after clicking on the link, you will be redirected to the Opportunities Circle website. This is the Tesla internship page on the Opportunity Circle website. You have to scroll down on this page towards the application process section and you have to click on Apply Now to start your application process. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the Tesla Careers homepage. Over here you can see there are different internship titles with category and location. You can select the internship program that suits your category, means that suits your qualification and that is best suited for your location. For a sample application process, let's go with People Analytics internship that is in the HR department and the location is Fremont, California. This internship program lies in the HR job category. This is a full-time job type. You can see the description about the internship program, the requirements, qualifications, and you can click on Apply to start your application for this internship program. Choose how you want to apply. First-time applicant, apply here. Click on Quick Apply. You have to add in your full name, your last name, your email address, your country, and your resume. After adding in your basic details, you have to complete the following fields. Are you currently a student? Yes or no? When are you available to start an internship program? You have to add in with the format of date, month and year. How many months are you available to participate in an internship? You have to select the time period that you can attend the internship program. Are you available to work full-time or part-time as part of an internship program? Select full-time or part-time, whichever is suitable for you. Do you need to write a thesis or report for your university as part of your internship? Select yes or no. After answering these questions, click on Next. Then you will be asked to answer some more questions. What is your availability or notice period? Immediately, in 1 to 2 weeks, in 2 to 4 weeks, in more than 4 weeks. Are you legally authorized to work in the country you are applying? And will you now in the future require immigration sponsorship for employment with Tesla? Have you previously been employed by Tesla? Yes or no? Are you a former, current intern or contractor? Yes or no? Do you consent to receive text messages throughout your application process, including but not limited to interview details, pre-employment screening, notifications or reminders? Yes or no? After answering these questions, you have to read the acknowledgement points, and then you have to tick on I acknowledge and agree with the statement above, and then you have to add in your legal name and click on Save. Pre-offer invitation to self-identity, race, sex, and veteran status. You have to select your gender, your race. The definitions of each race are given below. Your veteran status, definitions of veteran status, and voluntary self-identification of disability. If you have any disability, you can self-identify that. You can select yes, I have a disability if you have a disability. You can select no, I don't have a disability, and if you do not wish to share, you can select I don't wish to answer this question. Then you can read the reasonable accommodation statement and OFCCP notice, and after answering these, click on Save. Then you have to set a password and then click on Create Account. After clicking on Create Account, you will be redirected to this page. This is your account details. After adding in these details, click on Search Job. Select the category in which you want to find your job. And in the search option, add an internship, and all the internships by the Tesla Group will be provided. You can select the internship that you want to apply for. And your account has already been created. Just click on the internship and click on Apply, and your application will be submitted. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.